Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. So to begin, open Instagram and tap the direct message icon in the top right corner. Select an existing conversation or tap the new chat icon to start one. Then tap the blue camera icon in the bottom left corner. From there, you can snap a new photo or video using the shutter button at the bottom or swipe up to upload one from your device's camera roll. You can add filters, text, and stickers if you like. Once you have the photo or video you want to send ready to go, select view once to have the image disappear from your conversation. After being opened, allow replay to let them view it twice or keep it in chat to have it not disappear at all. Then tap send, and that's all it takes to send disappearing photos and videos in Instagram. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.